morning again, and welcome back to Posh Cat's Cabin. We've just been packing up the last half an hour or so, and we're still at the Broomfield Holiday Park in Ullapool. Been here for a couple of nights, so we're moving on this morning. We're thinking about going back down the road a little way to the gorge, and also then go and get a little bit of shopping before we head north and into the wilderness. Further north we go, it seems the less populated it is, so we're going to get a little bit of shopping this morning and then arrive at Clacktoll Beach caravan site, which is sounds rather nice. So just give you a final look at our park up here at Broomfield Holiday Park, and then we'll be on our way. We've parked up at the Corrieshalloch Gorge. I hope I pronounced that right. It's about 15 miles from our last park up on the NC500, and let's go and have a look. We're walking down the footpath at the gorge here. There's quite a few people down here. It's quite a popular little tourist spot. Arrived at the gorge, we're just going to have a little look over the edge. Maximum 6 people. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it does sway a bit. We're going to have a quick look over the edge here. Oh my goodness, that is a long way down. That is a long way down. Yeah, there's loads of waterfalls. I don't want to lose my hat. If my hat goes down there, it's gone forever. Or my camera. That is a long way down. My goodness me. Yeah, let's have a look down the other side. Ah, look at that lot. Now that is worth a little walk for. That is cascading right down the hole. Going to move along a little bit and have a little bit of look from further up. This way? Then that way. Impressive. Amazing. The bridge is wobbling. It's not that I'm nervous at all. The people are moving up and down the bridge and us swinging and swaying. Yeah, it is pretty exciting. Seems there might be another viewing platform up here. There's a happy face. Sue said have a look down, if the camera can see.
Down.
Down there.
Look! What's at the end?
Bit scary. What do you think of that then?
Sorry, my hat's in the way.
Hang on, I'll hold your hat. There.
It's raining. That's lovely. Stunning.
Bit impressive, isn't it?
We're not scared of heights,
Yeah,
are
we're not
we?
frightened of heights, are we? You know, we're just frightened of falling. That's fantastic. Well, better than I imagined, really. I thought I would just go for a little walk, there'd be a bridge, but it's very high.
It's a gorge.
You know, the
Because
gorge.
it's a gorge.
Yeah. What? I missed something.
Is Sheila over there yet?
Oh, let's have a look. See if Sheila's on the bridge. Wave to the people on the bridge.
Waving at us yet?
Now we're looking at the viewing platform from the other end. And Sue is up there with her red coat on. It's quite a fantastic drop. Down there, and the other side of the bridge is a big waterfall.